Looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that delivers great performance? We've rounded up the top 5 options, balancing affordability with powerful features. Whether you want a stunning display, long battery life, or smooth multitasking, there's a phone here for you. From Samsung's reliable gal. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy A25 5G Review. The Samsung Galaxy A25 5G is a feature-packed smartphone that delivers premium performance at an affordable price. Its 6.5-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display ensures a vibrant and smooth viewing experience, while the stereo speakers enhance audio quality. Powered by Android 14 and One UI, the phone runs efficiently with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, expandable up to 1TB. The 50MP triple lens camera captures detailed photos, making it great for casual photography. Plus, the 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day use with fast charging support. Pros and cons. Pros. Stunning AMOLED display. Long battery life. Expandable storage. Stereo speakers for better sound. No included charger. Plastic build. Overall, the Galaxy A25 5G is a solid choice for budget-conscious users seeking performance, display quality, and 5G connectivity. Number 2, OnePlus 12R Review. The OnePlus 12R is a feature-packed smartphone that balances performance and battery life seamlessly. With a 6.78-inch 1.5K Super Fluid AMOLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate, visuals are crisp and smooth. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 8GB RAM, it handles multitasking effortlessly. The 5500 mAh battery ensures all-day use, and 80W SuperVOOC fast charging powers it up in just 35 minutes. The 50MP triple camera system delivers sharp photos, while Oxygen OS, based on Android 14, enhances user experience. Pros. Stunning AMOLED display. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 performance. Long-lasting 5500 mAh battery with fast charging. Smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Cons. No wireless charging. No expandable storage. Overall, the OnePlus 12R is a great pick for power users looking for speed, efficiency, and a premium display. Number 3, Samsung Galaxy A15 5G Review. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that packs impressive features. With 5G connectivity, a 6.5 AMOLED display, and 128GB of expandable storage, it delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks. Running on Android 13 or later, it offers Samsung Wallet integration and 4 years of software updates for longevity. The 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, and super fast charging keeps you powered up quickly. Its triple lens camera captures decent photos, while Knox security safeguards your data. However, the 4GB RAM may limit multitasking, and no charger is included in the box. Pros. Affordable 5G phone. Vivid AMOLED display. Expandable storage, up to 1TB. Large battery with fast charging. Cons. Only 4GB RAM. No charger included. Ideal for budget-conscious users, the Galaxy A15 5G offers great value for the price. Number 4, Google Pixel 8a Review. The Google Pixel 8a is an impressive 5G Android smartphone that delivers premium features at an affordable price. Equipped with Google AI, it enhances daily tasks with features like photo unblur, call screening, and magic eraser. The 6.1-inch OLED display offers vibrant colors and smooth scrolling, while the 8GB RAM and A-series CPU ensure seamless performance. Photography lovers will appreciate the advanced Pixel camera, capturing stunning images with AI-powered tools. Plus, the IP67 water resistance and durable Gorilla Glass 3 add longevity. With its 4,300 mAh battery, the Pixel 8a lasts all day. Pros and cons. Pros. AI-enhanced camera features. Smooth OLED display. Strong battery life. Durable, water-resistant build. Cons. No expandable storage. Charger not included. A solid choice for budget-conscious users wanting Google AI power and great photography. Number 5, Moto G Play, 2023, Review. The Moto G Play, 2023, is an affordable smartphone with impressive battery life. Its 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 90 Hz refresh rate offers smooth scrolling, making it great for casual use. Powered by a Snapdragon 662 processor, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, expandable up to 512 GB, it handles everyday tasks efficiently. The triple camera system, 16MP plus 2MP depth plus 5MP selfie, captures decent shots, while the 5000 mAh battery ensures up to 3 days of use. It's unlocked for all major carriers, supports Wi-Fi calling, and includes a fingerprint sensor for security. Pros. Long battery life. Smooth 90 Hz display. Expandable storage. Affordable price. Cons. Limited 3 GB RAM. No 5G support. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.